Hey, it's Rich Baldwin, and we're out here at the Parade of Homes today, and we're going to showcase 5 homes under $1 million that people could actually afford. Well, let's hope. There's a ton of homes out there. They have basketball courts, things that we all love to see, we wish we could have, but most of us can't do it. So this is a great opportunity to showcase the homes that people can actually afford and buy. Let's go take a look. This is the Cabrillo by Ivory Homes in Hidden Valley. As you can see here, this home here has a 3-car garage. It's got 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. One great thing that I love about this kitchen here is that it's got a gourmet style setup in here with a hood. It's got a gas cooktop. We've got gourmet style with like the double oven set up here. It's got beautiful, looks like silestone or quartz countertops. And you can see here they have ample space for the dining room area here. That's a pretty good sized table. I think that's probably about an 8-foot table. And you can see here in the living room is fair enough room to have guests over, watch some TV together, and maybe take a trip out back and enjoy your barbecue. Here we have ample space for the master bedroom. We've got a nice size king size bed in here, so we know that's gonna fit really well. This room's also got terrific lighting in here from both sides, giving you a bright, nice, open feel in the home. Fantastic master bathroom. They've really efficient layout here. You've got a really nice size vanity over here with double sinks. You've also got a soaking tub and a shower. Feels like there's a lot of room in here to me. Behind us here, there is a beautiful walk-in closet. There's ample space in here, like more than ample space. So anybody who's maybe a clothes horse, has a lot of clothing, is gonna love this closet. And this is one of the secondary bedrooms. Ample space for a guest or any kind of craft room that you may want to put together. Okay, and a reasonable size secondary bathroom here. Got quartz countertops and some nice tile back here. I love this feature here with the bench coming right in off the garage. And this is the 3rd bedroom as a secondary bedroom. Well, this is the 3rd bathroom in the home. Decently sized quartz countertops, tiled bathtub shower combo. And as you can see here, as an added bonus, we actually have this great office up front with beautiful lighting in here. And if you wanted to switch it out to maybe a sitting room or another bedroom, you could easily pull that off. I really like the idea of how they put this together as an office, however. We're here at the pool for Hidden Valley. My understanding is that the HOA dues are roughly $85 a month, and the yards are desert-scaped. So if you're the kind of person that doesn't like to do yard work, doesn't see yourself liking to mow, this is a perfect solution for you. We're here at the Ponderosa by Visionary Homes here in Desert Color. This particular home here is 2,173 square feet. It's got a 3-car garage back here and 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Let's go take a look. I love the way this home looks with the 2-story vault up here. The beautiful windows that you have up here are really kind of nice. It just really makes it feel nice and spacious in this living environment. And then heading into the kitchen here, they've got an ample space for the dining area. And then when you take a look at the kitchen, they've got painted cabinets, a gourmet style kitchen. I think this is a perfect little kitchen. Looks like it's double oven actually, so that's a really good situation. Really fun backyard area here. I see that there's 2 fire pits. You've got a fantastic awning over top, and it's a really reasonably sized backyard and just a beautiful view all the way through the backyard. You can just really imagine spending time back here with your family, having a good time. Just a really snazzy looking powder bath down here. They've done a great job with the wallpaper and the styling. They just did a fantastic job coming off of the garage with the bench here. They used a shiplap in the back, and they got hooks and a little shelf up on top, so it's really awesome looking. A really neat feature about this home is this catwalk on the top. It really sets itself apart from other homes that you might see in the parade. It just gives itself a neat look. It's very vaulted and airy. Some really cool light fixtures over there. As we're coming across the catwalk over here, if you take a look at this area right over this way, it has fantastic views going out to the plateaus out there. It looks really cool. I love this location here, how it really has a nice open feel in this area here. We've got 3 beautiful bedrooms up here along with a bathroom. So great space up here. This is the beautiful, incredible clubhouse at Desert Color. So with Visionary Homes, your HOA dues would be roughly about $175 a month for this, but you have so much here. There's a snack bar over here that's happened to be closed today, but that snack bar is amazing. A great place to come down with your family and enjoy lunch for the afternoon. And then back here, if you're a pickleball player, there's amazing pickleball courts as well. Here we are at the beautiful lagoon at Desert Color, and you see they've got some really incredible paddle boats here. This one's super funny here. It looks like Tweety Bird. But they did this because they wanted to give people something to do in the winter months, so it's great in the summer, but also cool in the winter time too. This is the Ence Parade home here in White Canyon. This particular home here comes with a 3-car garage, as you can see behind me. It has 5 bedrooms plus an office, which could be a 6th bedroom if you really want it to be. It also includes 4 bathrooms. Let's check it out. Really a fantastic kitchen here. I like the coloring in here. I like how they use the contrasting dark with the light countertop. Cool hood on the top. They've got a push-in oven on that one, so instead of like the cooktops we've seen in some of the other places. I like the backsplash they have on that. And one interesting thing about this one here, they took the microwave and they put it up high here on the left, and they actually matched the paint color to the cabinetry, so that's unique. And they same thing with the refrigerator. The living room area in here is really nice and wide, and so I can imagine lots of people with their families sitting around here watching TV. There's enough space on the right-hand side if you wanted to add some additional furniture. Here in the master suite, you see they placed a king-size bed in here so they can showcase how large this room actually is. The master suite has a double vanity setup in here, and then to the right, you'll see that they actually have a walk-in shower, which is very nice. And then coming around, they have a soaking tub. They've done something really unique. They actually put a bench in here to show us how big that really is. So a reasonable sized closet. I think anybody would love that. We're beginning to see a trend here with the bench coming in the entryway. That's a very popular item these days. So builders have picked up on that, and they're starting to put in a lot of the homes here. Here on the main floor, they actually have a full bath, and it is a tub shower combo, single vanity. This is the main floor office. What I really like about this is also, if you had like a family member who maybe had some disabilities or couldn't really do stairs, this is great to have this down here, because then you can utilize this as a bedroom instead. It does have a closet, so that's very nice. Right off of the rec room upstairs, we have a 2nd bedroom up here. It's got a queen size bed, so it lets us know that there's ample space in here. And a unique feature about this, as we come around the corner here, you'll notice that we've got Jack and Jill bath, which people love that feature. It's really kind of fun. We've got double vanities here. You'll see that they've got the toilet and then the tub shower combo over here to the right. This is the opposite bedroom to the Jack and Jill bath that we saw on the other side. It's definitely a decent size as well. It's got this upstairs rec area. And the reason I like this is because if you're mom and dad and you're having a busy day and you're tired, you can send the kids upstairs, let them play up here, let them destroy this area. One more bedroom upstairs, right adjacent to a bathroom. There'll be a bedroom on the opposite side as well. One of the unique features about the HOA here, which is $65 a month, is that it includes the front yard maintenance, which is an unusual feature, but I think people will really like that don't like to get out and do yard maintenance. This is the Tulip at Heritage Place by Sullivan Homes. 1,790 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage. Let's go take a look. They did a really good job here with the kitchen. I like the pot holder back here. You got the hood. You've got a really unique looking oven back here. And the cabinetry they use is very nice. One of the things I like about the older wood style is that, you know, it's easy to touch up and fix up. You can't tell if you've got a dirty cabinet or not. It just looks clean all the time. The features of this kitchen are really nice. The island is massive. I think that's a huge asset, especially if you're someone who's into baking. They also did the paneling on the refrigerator, which I think is really cool. You lost a little space maybe in the living space, but it's a very cozy, very comfortable space regardless. Look over to the left here, you see the dining area, and you could put a bigger dining table. So if that matters to you, you could actually get a bigger table than what they've got here. Coming off of the dining area, they have this nice covered patio here. It's everything you need to come out and do barbecuing with your family. And they've done a great job of just making this look really nice. Again, we're here in sunny St. George, and what they've done here is and I've seen this in a lot of homes, they've actually come in and done the AstroTurf, which is great because you don't have to worry about maintaining much here. Here we have a front guest room, could be an office if you'd like. In between this room and the other room adjacent to it off the hallway, there's a bathroom. Kind of a nice feature just to have that right in between the 2 bedrooms. This is the bedroom just on the opposite side of the other one with the bathroom in between it. One of the cool features of this home that I really like is this really heavy duty door. Very bulky, sturdy door. If you're into security, this is the one. Here we have a reasonably sized master suite. Like some of the other homes we looked at throughout the day, this one has a king size bed, fits very nicely. There's a lot of extra room here if you needed to. On the ceiling, there's this really cool propeller fan. In the master suite here, you notice they use this tile. It's really cool, it's kind of chunky looking. We've got a double vanity in here. The walk-in shower has this big piece of glass so that it gives you a lot of additional lighting when you're showering in there. Coming off the garage here, they've done a unique twist on the bench off of the garage. They've actually put in cabinetry in here and some storage. So if you're more about storage, this is a good way to have it. One of the nicer laundry rooms, I would say. We've got a lot of cabinetry up in here. They've got a washing sink up here. This is the parade home by Career Tech High School. These are students that put this home together. It's really kind of unique and different from all the other parade homes we've looked at. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 2-car garage. Also, it has a really unique casita in here. It's 2,326 square feet. Let's go take a look.
This year, we're based in the CT High School, but really any student from any school can enroll and be a part of the program.
And that's right, because you're from Crimson High, is that right? Okay. Cool, so tell me a little bit about what you did in this particular home.
I did a lot of landscaping. I did a lot of the masonry outside, the rock on the front.
Yeah.
A lot of the tiles in the bathrooms and the showers and on the fireplace right here.
I'm here with Ailey, not an H. She told me very specifically it's Ailey, not Haley.
Yes.
And she was involved with interior decorating. Tell us a little bit about the home and what you were involved with here.
I did the living room right here. I was able to go to Boulevard Home and pick out the furniture. And I did the front entry room that was originally going to be an office, but we changed it into just a seating gathering room, and I think it turned out really good.
One of the cool things about this home that was done by the Career Tech School is that they did this little casita in here, which I think is really fun, because if someone wanted to purchase this home and have a mother-in-law stay with them, or maybe another family member who can't work or is disabled or whatever it happens to be, this could be really fun for that. So that concludes our tour of the 2024 St. George area parade of homes. We hope you've been inspired by the affordability and style of these stunning homes that we visited here today. If you want more information about these properties or any other properties here in St. George, my contact information is in the description below. If you found this content helpful, please consider subscribing to stay updated on what it's like to live in colorful St. George, Utah.